pudding. I'm trying to concentrate.
Pinkie Pie, stop that right now. It's time to prepare for the gala, and I refuse to let you put on your new dress if you're all sweaty.
What's Twilight doing?
She's got an awesome magic spell she's been working on for the gala.
Where are the others? It's getting late.
Hold your horses, girl. We're here.
Perfect. I'm ready.
For what?
All right, Spike.
An apple! Are we having pie?
Shh! Watch!
Lovely. Oh, thanks. But that's just the start. Fluttershy, did you bring your friends?
Yes. Will they be safe, Twilight?
You have my word.
That's a choice.
Interesting.
Neat, huh? And don't worry, there'll be mice again at midnight.
Opalescence, no!
Wait! Come back! Those horses were supposed to pull our carriage. How will we get to the gala?
Whatever shall we do? Excuse me. Would you boys mind pulling our carriage to the gala?
Oh, yeah. Right.
My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure.
Tons of fun!
A beautiful heart, faithful and strong.
Sharing kindness.
It's an easy feat, and magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Did you know you're all my very best friends?
Come on, you guys! Let me in!
Sure thing, Spike.
Heavens no! We're getting dressed.
Dressed? Beg pardon, Rarity, but we don't normally wear clothes.
I'm sorry, Spike. Some of us do have standards.
I still can't believe we're going to be at Canterlot tonight, our hometown, Twilight. And the best part is that we all get to hang out together all night long.
I don't know, Spike.
We'll just have to see.
We're gonna be mighty busy.
Busy having fun!
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, Spike. We'll all get to spend some time together.
Great! Because I planned out my insider's tour of Canterlot. I gotta show Rarity the crown jewels and Applejack the princess's golden apple tree. And Pinkie, we gotta go to my favorite donut shop.
All right, sounds good, Spike. He'll be around.
Then let's get moving. Yeah!
Excuse me?
I...
If you weren't friends with our neighbor Rarity...
Whoa! You all look amazing.
I can't believe we're finally here. With all that we've imagined, the reality of this night is sure to make this the best night ever!
At the gala. At the gala, in the garden, I'm going to see them all. All the creatures, I'll befriend them at the gala. All the birdies and the critters, they will love me big and small. We'll become good friends forever, right here at the gala.
Our dreams will come true, right here at the gala.
At the gala, I will sell them all my apple-tastic treats. Hungry ponies, they will buy them. Caramel apples, apple sweets. And I'll earn a lot of money for the apple family.
Our dreams and our hopes from now until hereafter. All that we've been wishing for will happen at the gala.
At the gala of the royals, they will meet fair Rarity. They will
see, I'm just as regal at the gala. I will find him, my Prince Charming, and how gallant he will be. He will treat me like a lady tonight at the gala.
This is what we waited for, to have the best night ever. Each of us will live our dreams tonight at the gala. At the gala.
Been dreaming, I've been waiting to fly with those great ponies. The Wonderbolts, their daring tricks, spinning round and having kicks. Perform for crowds of thousands, they'll shower us with diamonds. The Wonderbolts will see me right here at the gala.
For always in the happy ever after. Finally will all come true right here at the grand gala. At the gala.
I am here at the Grand Gala, for it is the best party. But the one thing it was missing was a pony named Pinky. For I am the best at parties, all the ponies will agree. Ponies playing, ponies dancing with me at the Grand Gala.
Happiness and laughter at the gala. At the gala.
At the gala with the princess is where I'm going to be. We will talk all about magic and what I've learned and seen. It is going to be so special as she takes time just for me.
Into the gala we must go, we're ready now, we're all aglow. Into the gala, let's go in and have the best night ever. Into the gala, now's the time, we're ready and we look divine.
Into the gala, meet new friends. Into the gala, sell some apples.
Into the gala, find my prince.
Prove I'm great as a Wonderbolt. Didn't need to sell,
To find,
to prove, to woo, to talk.
Into the gala, and we'll have the best night ever. At the gala.
Yeah! This is gonna be the best night ever. You know why? Because we're all gonna spend time at the gala together. Or not.
Princess Celestia!
Twilight, it is so lovely to see my star student.
Oh, I'm so excited to be here. We have so much to catch up on.
Well, I want you right by my side the entire evening, so we'll have plenty of time together.
That's just what I was hoping you'd say.
Hurry, Rarity! Oh, but not too fast. I don't want to lose him. Have to play it cool. Oh, but don't be cold. I can't lose him. I can't. He's everything I imagined.
Even better than I imagined.
Oh my, a meadowlark. I think she's calling to me. It's exactly what I wished for. Ah.
Howdy, partner. You hungry?
As a horse.
Well, what you hankering for? Caramel apple, apple pie, apple fritter, apple fries?
I'll take that big apple pie.
Well, thank you kindly, sir. Yeehaw! In the first minute, I made my first sale, just like I expected.
Always hungry after a show, eh, Soren?
Yeah. My pie! You saved it. Thanks.
Hey, no prob.
Hey, I know you. You're the pony that saved us in Cloudsdale and won the best flyer competition.
Hey, yeah. Name's Rainbow Dash.
Well, Rainbow Dash, looks like your skills saved us again. Oh, well, at least they saved Soren's apple pie.
Yeah.
Want to come hang out with us?
Sure, why not? I'm hanging with the Wonderbolts.
Well, hello. I am Prince Blueblood.
I am Rarity. Oh my, what a lovely rose.
You mean this rose? Thank you. It goes with my eyes.
My little Meadowlark is right around this bend. Was that you?
Yep. I love whistling while I work.
Oh, yes. Well, excuse me. Oh, I see a Toko Toucan and a spider monkey. I know. Is that a Wallaroo? Oh, Fluttershy, you're such a loud mouse.
Hey, Spitfire! You ever done a rain cloud double backflip? You ever soar past lightning? It's awesome!
Welcome to the Grand Galloping Gala.
Princess, I've been so excited to spend time with you and...
Yes, me too, Twilight. Oh, good evening. Welcome to the gala. Which is why I... Ladies! Lovely to see you again.
Looks like getting a chance to talk to the princess is gonna be a magic trick in itself.
First minute, first sail. Second, fourth, sixth, 60th minute, no sails. This ain't what I expected at all.
I'm at the Grand Galloping Gala, and it's not what I dreamed.
This isn't at all what I imagined.
Good evening. So nice to see you. Welcome. How are you?
This isn't what I hoped.
This isn't hanging out.
This isn't what I wished for.
No!
I've waited all my life for this moment, and I'm not going to...
Let it slip by. If it's the last thing I do,
I'm gonna make this
the best night ever!
I just have to be more bold, like Twilight says. I'm so sorry to have scared you, my friends, but I'm leaving now, so you can all come out. Gotcha! It's okay. I promise not to hurt you. I just want to be your... friend?
Sounds good to me.
Come on, Rainbow. If they don't notice you, you gotta make them notice you.
Just give him a chance, Rarity. His princely side is sure to come out if you're just patient.
Miss Rarity, stop!
Oh, Prince Blueblood. How chivalrous.
One would hate to slip.
Yes, one certainly would.
One's cloak should take care of the problem.
Oh, of course it will. And then we're gonna do this. Come on, every pony! I know what'll make you shake those groove things! You reach your right hoof in, you reach your right hoof out, you reach your right hoof in, and you shake it all about. You do the pony pokey, meeting lots of folks with clout. That's what I'm talking about. You step your left hoof in, you pull it right back out. You step your left hoof in, but you better help him out. You do the pony pokey, but you'd find a different route. That's what it's all about. You kick your back left in, tilt your head out, you tilt your head in, then you shake it all about. You do the pony pokey even though your date's allowed. You're better off without. You stomp your whole self in, you stomp your whole self out. You stomp your whole self in and you stomp yourself about. You do the pony pokey and you give a little shout. Come out! That's what I'm talking about. You do the pony pokey, you do the pony pokey, you do the pony pokey, and that's what it's all about. Yeah!
Young lady, this is not that kind of party.
Oh! They don't want a party. These ponies want a party!
2 apple fritters, please.
2 apple fritters coming right up. That'll be 4 bits.
I'm going to have to pay, aren't I?
It's okay, Rarity. I got you covered.
Thank you, Applejack. At least some pony here has good manners.
Ugh! Oh, fritters, dumplings, caramel apples. My royal lips have touched common carnival fare. I'm going to the buffet for some hors d'oeuvres.
Well, no wonder no pony wants my food. They're filling up on all those fancy schmancy beetles. Well, my down-home apples are plenty good enough for this crowd. I'll just dress them up a bit and prove it to them.
I'll catch you yet, my pretties. Oh, yes. As soon as one of you little birds or monkeys or bears touches this net, you'll be mine. Mine! Come on, every pony. You wanted a partay? Now let's partay! Yeah! Now that's a beat. Yeah! Come on, dance! Yeah!
Okay, all you high-class ponies. Here's a high-balloon apple cake for all your hoity-toity taste buds.
Stage dive!
You, sir, are the most uncharming prince I have ever met. In fact, the only thing royal about you is that you are a royal pain.
Ew! Stay back! I just had myself groomed!
Afraid to get dirty? This is my chance. Yes! Whoa! Well, it can't get any worse. You're going to love me!
Run.
Ooh, Rarity, your glass slipper! Now your prince is sure to find you. Let's go!
Hey, Pony Joe, another donut.
Don't you think you've had enough?
Another donut! Extra sprinkles!
Twilight Sparkle. Long time no see.
Hey, how was the gala? How was your best night ever? That sounds like the worst night ever.
It was!
I just hope Princess Celestia isn't upset with us for ruining the gala.
That was the best Grand Galloping Gala ever!
Princess Celestia! Pardon me, Princess, but tonight was just awful.
Oh, Twilight, the Grand Galloping Gala is always awful.
It is?
That is why I was thrilled you were all attending. I was hoping you could liven things up a bit. And while the evening may not have gone as you planned, I'm sure you'll agree that, in the end, it didn't turn out so bad for this group of friends.
You're right, Princess. Friends have a way of making even the worst of times into something pretty great.
Yeah, hanging out with friends.
Talking. Laughing.
You mean doing exactly what I wanted to do the whole time?
Yes, Spike, you were right.
As horrible as our night was,
Being together here has made it all better. In fact, it's made it the best night ever!